Hi, this video was originally supposed to be about refreshing all the rear end on the PS13, so new subframe, rear knuckles, arms, diff, brakes, all that stuff, bearings, everything was supposed to be brand new, refreshed, and kind of that was the goal for this video, to have it all ready, assembled and on the car. It doesn't really all go to plan, mostly on my part, for kind of just going, hey, we'll figure it out, because you know, I've done this kind of stuff loads of times and it's been fine. Had to modify a few parts and screw up a few parts, so enjoy the video. Leave a comment, let me know what you liked. If you didn't like it, do the same. Yeah, enjoy. Parts wise, for the back of the Nissan, we've got pretty much a whole refresh of everything. I haven't bothered putting the subframe on here because that would just be silly, and everyone kind of knows what a subframe looks like, and you'll see it at some point anyway. So R33 rear brakes, shoes and all that stuff, new rear bearings, extended studs in as well, Driftworks Geomaster 2s, just with repowder coated black, new handbrake cables, R33 handbrake cables, powder coated lower arms. I'm a doo-doo head because I meant to shorten these first and then powder coat them, but I forgot because of brain badness. So I'm just going to put these on. New rear ball joints, jump speed, camber arms, traction arms, new bushes, toe arms in here. These are brand new ones. Good girl. What do you mean?
I think you've made a mistake.
So they don't actually fit with handbrake. So this is the part where I realised the handbrake cables aren't going to fit with the Geomasters, which I probably should have checked beforehand, but I didn't. So after almost completely removing this tube with no plan of what I'm going to do next, this actually fits now. There we go. Yeah, so there we are. I'm going to add some more bracing on, but I kind of needed to get this fit first, figure out where I could put the bracing, so I've got to get the disc and everything together really, and arms maybe in, and see what I'm actually dealing with there. Past the point of no return now. Okay, so this is where I'm at with this. Ended up cutting away quite a lot of material. That does now clear the handbrake cable. There's a little brace bit on the top here, little plate to bridge over the groove that we removed, and then a little upright gusset as well. Once I've got those welded in, that triangular bit there, I think it's probably going to be strong enough, and I'll have to get it repowder coated because we've still got under seal and fuel lines and all that other stuff to do in the meantime. So yeah, a bit annoying to have to hack up the fresh powder coat, but means I can actually use my handbrake now, so that's good. Let's not celebrate yet. There's still a chance to ruin it. So the good news is this is now braced. It doesn't look fantastic, but once it's powder coated, it'll be pretty good. Done that one too. The bad news is that I forgot to take out this bush and this bush, so they melted. Yeah, they melted real nice, so they're unusable now. And then I went to order some from Driftworks, thought no big deal, but they're discontinued, so that's fun. So yeah, those bushes are ruined. I've ordered some from Powerflex, which are like the OEM fitment ones. Somebody said they're the same, somebody else said that the Geomaster bushes are smaller. But yeah, so if it comes to it, I'll have to maybe machine the Powerflex ones down to fit the Geomaster now. Massive pain in the arse, to be honest, but not much I can do about it now. Because yeah, the Geomaster bushes are discontinued, so kind of stuck now. Is what it is. In the meantime, I've got the rear lowers, which I forgot to shorten, and since I'm taking stuff to be repowder coated, I might as well shorten them and get them repowder coated as well, so at least there's sort of a silver lining. Two Geomasters mangled and then refangled to fit the cables, so they just need powder coating again. We'll deal with the bushes situation later because I don't really know what's going to go on there, but anyway. And then yeah, rear lower arms shortened and braced, so I'll get them powder coated too while we're at it, and then reassembled bushes, ball joints to go back in, and then yeah, then we'll try and do what the original plan was for this video, which was get it all assembled and mostly placed on the car. I was really hoping to have the whole rear end stuff all pretty much assembled and ready to go on for this video, but obviously that's not going to happen now. I do have some spares to put on the trailer because every time I use that it breaks, so I'll do that I guess to try and be a little bit productive. So yeah, this clamp is broken. It was still latched on and I was insisting to Connor to just keep pumping away and it'd be fine, and then suddenly bang, and it's all bent and doesn't work now, so I've got another one to fit there. Yeah, this side's always been a little bit crusty as well, so I'm going to put a new one on there. Yeah, and then 2 new tyres. Because yeah, that one's not going to be fixed, I don't think. The new one, nice and straight. That's the old one. Yeah, it's certainly seen better days, haven't they? You can also see it's actually started to split here, and this little latch is snapped off as well, and it's all just, this is even that's bent. Look, that's supposed to be straight. So yeah, a lot of force went through that, but before I put the new one on, I do have to trim this handle, not this one, because otherwise it hits the pump, even though it's supposed to be a bolt-on Iveco trailer clamp. But yeah, and it's, yeah, life.
Steady on it, boy.
crusty boy's gone. Oh, freshies. Woo-hoo. Pretty solid fitment. Actually almost as tight as my MX-5. I haven't got a pointer, so there we go. I'm more excited about these than those. Diffs in the boot. Dogs in the car. So, trailer's fixed, and now it's just off to mine to take the diffs there and pick up a little piece of fiberglass. So I've got me. You can see her nose here. She's just coming along for the ride. Excited? And a biscuit. Yeah, things may not have gone to plan, but hey ho. Got a few things done. So Geomasters are now modified to fit the rear brakes. Rear lower arms are shortened like I meant to do in the first place. Trailer's fixed. Diffs are with Martin Richards to be rebuilt. So one is a Nismo 2-way with a 4.1 gear in it, and then the other one is a welded with a 3.8, which is weird. I've not heard of that before, but if you divide the numbers on the pinion, that's what they came out as. So with the BMW gearbox, the plan I think is we'll probably run the 3.8 with the Nismo 2-way because the gears in the BMW gearbox are geared for longer diffs. So yeah, swap that over, get Martin to set it all up, and go pick that up at some point, and then hopefully by the time we got all the other bits back from the powder coat and the subframe and all that stuff on the rear end, the diff can go on as well. Right, that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you could do me a favour and leave me a comment down below, that'd be really cool. Hopefully in the next one we'll get a bit closer to having all the rear end all assembled and done, and yeah, be that little bit closer to getting this car back out there again. So yeah, hopefully see you next time.